Life. A simple word, yet it encompasses a universe of complexity and wonder. From the smallest bacterium to the largest whale, all living organisms share a set of fundamental processes that define their existence. These are the life processes, the very essence of what it means to be alive. They are the engine room of life, a symphony of interconnected functions that keep the organism ticking. These processes are not independent silos, but rather, they are intricately intertwined, each one relying on the others to maintain the delicate balance of life. Just like a well-orchestrated symphony requires each instrument to play its part, so too do these life processes work in harmony to create the grand performance of life. Understanding these processes is key to unlocking the secrets of the natural world. By delving into the fascinating world of biology, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate mechanisms that make life possible. So, let us embark on a journey of discovery, exploring the marvels of these life processes and gaining a newfound respect for the miracle of life itself. Imagine a car without fuel. It simply wouldn't run. Similarly, living organisms require a constant supply of energy to power their life processes. This is where nutrition comes in, the process by which organisms obtain and process food. From the microscopic algae harnessing sunlight to produce their own food, to the majestic lion hunting down its prey, the ways in which organisms obtain nutrients are as diverse as the life forms themselves. Plants, the primary producers, have the remarkable ability to convert light energy into chemical energy through photosynthesis. Animals, on the other hand, obtain their nutrition by consuming plants or other animals. Once ingested, food is broken down into simpler molecules through digestion, releasing the stored energy within. This energy is then used to fuel all other life processes, from growth and repair to movement and reproduction. Without nutrition, life as we know it would cease to exist. We often take breathing for granted, yet this simple act is crucial for our survival. Respiration, the process of breathing, is intimately linked to energy production. It's the vital process of releasing energy from the food we eat. Through a series of chemical reactions, organisms break down glucose, a simple sugar, in the presence of oxygen, releasing energy in the form of ATP. Think of ATP as the energy currency of the cell, powering all cellular activities. Without ATP, cells would grind to a halt, unable to perform even the most basic functions. Respiration occurs in every cell of our body, a continuous process that keeps us alive and kicking. From the moment we take our first breath to our very last, respiration ensures a constant supply of energy, powering the symphony of life. One of the most visible manifestations of life is growth, the process by which organisms increase in size and complexity. From a tiny seed sprouting into a towering tree, to a single fertilized egg developing into a complex organism, growth is a testament to the remarkable power of life. Growth involves an increase in cell number through cell division and an increase in cell size. It's a carefully regulated process, orchestrated by a complex interplay of genes, hormones, and environmental factors. The rate of growth varies greatly among organisms, with some, like bacteria, capable of doubling in size in a matter of hours, while others, like elephants, may take years to reach their full size. Growth is not merely an increase in size. It also involves differentiation, the process by which cells become specialized to perform specific functions. This intricate dance of cell division, enlargement, and specialization gives rise to the incredible diversity of life forms we see around us. Section 5. Out with the old excretion and waste removal. Just like a well-maintained machine requires regular cleaning, living organisms need to get rid of waste products generated during metabolism. This essential process is called excretion. Excretion is the removal of metabolic waste products from the body. These waste products, if allowed to accumulate, can be toxic to cells and disrupt the delicate balance within an organism. The kidneys, lungs, skin, and liver are some of the key organs involved in excretion in humans. Animals excrete waste products such as carbon dioxide, urea, and excess water. Plants, on the other hand, have evolved unique ways to deal with waste. Some store waste products in their leaves, which are then shed, while others convert waste into useful substances. Section 6. A world of senses, sensitivity, and response to stimuli. The world is a dynamic and ever-changing place, and organisms need to be able to sense and respond to these changes to survive. This ability to detect and react to stimuli is called sensitivity. From the simple reflex of a plant bending towards light to the complex nervous system of a human, organisms have evolved a wide array of sensory mechanisms. These mechanisms allow them to detect changes in their internal and external environment, such as light, temperature, sound, touch, and chemicals. The ability to respond to stimuli is crucial for survival. For example, a gazelle must be able to detect and flee from a predator to avoid becoming prey. Similarly, plants need to be able to sense changes in light and water availability to optimize their growth and ensure their survival. Section 7. The Circle of Life, Reproduction and the Continuation of Species. Life is a continuous cycle, with each generation giving rise to the next. Reproduction, the process by which organisms create offspring, ensures the continuation of life. It is the driving force behind the diversity and evolution of life on Earth. Reproduction can be sexual or asexual. Sexual reproduction, involving the fusion of male and female gametes, leads to greater genetic diversity and adaptability to changing environments. Asexual reproduction, on the other hand, involves a single parent producing genetically identical offspring, which can be advantageous in stable environments. From the simple division of a bacterium to the elaborate courtship rituals of birds, the diversity of reproductive strategies in nature is astounding. Each species has evolved unique mechanisms to ensure the survival and propagation of its genes. Section 8. On the Move. Locomotion and movement in the living world. Movement is a fundamental characteristic of life, a visible manifestation of the energy within. From the graceful flight of a bird to the intricate dance of a bee pollinating a flower, movement is essential for survival. Locomotion, the ability to move from one place to another, allows animals to find food, escape predators, and seek out mates. Plants, while seemingly immobile, also exhibit movement, albeit at a much slower pace. They grow towards light, their roots extend through the soil, and their flowers open and close in response to environmental cues. Movement is made possible by the coordinated action of muscles, bones, and nerves in animals. Plants, on the other hand, rely on changes in cell turgor pressure and growth patterns to achieve movement. Section 9. The intricate web interdependence of life processes. Life processes are not isolated events, but rather interconnected components of a complex web. Each process relies on the others to function correctly, and any disruption to this delicate balance can have far-reaching consequences. For example, nutrition provides the energy required for respiration, which in turn releases energy for growth, repair, and other life processes. Similarly, excretion removes waste products generated during metabolism, ensuring that these harmful substances do not accumulate and disrupt the internal environment. This interconnectedness highlights the remarkable efficiency and elegance of living systems. It also underscores the importance of understanding the interplay between these processes to fully appreciate the wonder of life. Section 10. The Future of Life: Understanding Biology for a Better Tomorrow. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of life, we gain a greater appreciation for the interconnectedness of all living things. This understanding is crucial for addressing some of the most pressing challenges facing our planet today. From developing sustainable agricultural practices to combating infectious diseases, the study of biology is essential for finding solutions to global issues. By harnessing the power of biotechnology, we can develop new drugs, create disease-resistant crops, and find innovative ways to protect our environment. Understanding the life processes is not just an academic pursuit. It is fundamental to our survival and the well-being of our planet. By fostering a sense of wonder and curiosity about the natural world, we can inspire the next generation of scientists and innovators to tackle the challenges of the future. Section 11. Conclusion: A symphony of processes. In the grand symphony of life, each life process plays a vital role, contributing to the harmonious functioning of the whole. From the smallest bacterium to the largest whale, all living organisms share these fundamental processes, a testament to the unity and diversity of life on Earth. As we have journeyed through the fascinating world of biology, we have gained a deeper appreciation for the complexity and elegance of these life processes. We have seen how nutrition provides the fuel, respiration releases the energy, growth builds the structures, excretion removes the waste, sensitivity allows for response, reproduction ensures continuity, and movement enables exploration. The study of life is an ongoing journey of discovery, and the more we learn, the more we realize how much more there is to know. But one thing is certain: life is a precious and awe-inspiring phenomenon, and understanding the processes that sustain it is essential for our own survival and the well-being of our planet.